Hey everyone, we are here today with APTIS. Andreas, it's great to meet you and have you here.
Hi, nice to meet you. Thank you for the invitation.
Absolutely. I hope you're enjoying Teams. And I know we're here today to talk about Epic SumUp. And so I'd love if you can kind of give us an overview and let us know about your app.
Yeah, sure. Epic SumUp was intended to give you that kind of overview. The name Epic SumUp introduces to summing up data up to the Epic level. That was the original idea of the app. So what we do is we take the data from issues beyond the Epic and summarize it up to the Epic level so that you have a summary panel. This is what we see right here. And the Epic level, the summary panel includes progress bars that are defined as like your project KPIs. You can define them and add whatever you want. They're calculated. We can sum up every number-based field, scripted field, data from outside and everything. And there's counters around. And that was the original idea to name the app Epic SumUp. And in the meantime, it's not just Epics, and we sum up a lot more, and we count, and we do integration with other apps a lot.
Very cool. Yeah, the name helps though. Epic SumUp. Do you mind giving us some examples of how this works?
Yeah, sure. So what the summary panel does here at the site is it sums up the data from beyond. So in the case of time, you see here there is the time from all the issues beyond. And we have a small budget marker over here. If I click on the progress bar, and this is new to Jira users, you can click on progress bars with Epic SumUp. It gives you the drill down of everything. All the data right here showing up in the detail view editor. The detail view editor gives you like what's inside, and all the custom fields that are here as a column can be edited. Like wait a second, like this, and and we have copy paste functionality like that. And so as a project manager, you want to see the wrap up of everything, and when you need to change some things, you can do that very fast. We have. We can open it up with up to 60,000 issues. I've not tried more because I think it does not make sense to edit 60,000 issues at once, and we don't have more in our system. But you can. That's very impressive. On data center, on the cloud, we have a benchmark of 5,000 issues, and then we ask you, are you serious? Do you really want to open? But it works. We have feature parity in cloud and data centers, so it works on both systems. But I'm showing that on data centers, we have more reasonable data in there. When you work with the detail view editor, so based on the KPIs from the summary panel, you can use that for filter out that, let's say, problematic issues or the ones that have breached any budgets or something. Use filters like you would do in any Excel tool as well, like this. And then you can send the issues to other kitchen sinks like Issue Navigator timesheet. We support tempo timesheets, other timesheets in other apps.
Okay.
On the cloud, we support deep clone, so you can deep clone everything from your project that you filter out, and it works really perfectly. You can create Excel sheets, CSV export, or just print it for the managers. That works pretty well. And so what you can do is you can define the summary panel per issue type. So every issue type can be added with a summary panel, and it can be differently per issue type, so that you have, let's say, one issue type, one summary panel for the projects, and then you have the portfolios, which have different KPIs, and that can be organized on a global level, on a project level, and even for the issue itself, which makes it possible that an administrator can edit the summary panel contents for his issue if he is writing permissions.
Do you have a favorite feature personally?
Yes, I personally like the comment overview. So I'm always looking for the comments. So who has said what and who has stated what, the customer has proved, or who has told that. And we have the counter panel down here for attachment comments and links, and it's growing. So we have a comment thread and comment overview that wraps up all the comments from the complete project in one comment stream, which is filterable like that, and you can really easily find who has said what and when, and then refer to the comments and take a look what's done here.
Well, beautiful. I really appreciate the overview, and we'll definitely link it so people know where they can book a demo or even start a free trial. So
yeah, sure. We are always open. We just reach out to us. We do demos. We work together closely with all the solution partners, and sure, if you want or have any question or want a presentation or just talk to us, reach out to us.
sounds good. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate you being here.
Yeah, thank you.